it's Franklin coming over to play, growing a little every day. Here he comes with all his friends. They've got stories, got time to spend with you. Hey, it's Franklin coming to your house. Hey, it's Franklin coming to my house. Hey, it's Franklin.
Franklin's nature hike. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He could help his friends build a fort and help his father in the yard. He could even help Mr. Owl plan a nature hike. But one day, Franklin was too helpful.
And over here by the stream, you might find an interesting stone, or perhaps a shell.
But look inside the shell before you take it. There might be somebody living in it.
Yes. A point well taken, Snail. We want interesting objects for our classroom nature table, but living things belong here in the woods. All right, class, off you go. And remember...
Don't pick the flowers.
No, have fun.
We'll have fun, all right.
Come on.
Let's go, Franklin.
Yeah. I love the woods. Yeah. Ooh, fungus. This looks interesting. Look what I just found.
Here I am, Snail.
Whoa.
I'm always happy to give you a ride, Snail. You don't even have to ask.
Thanks, Franklin.
Let's catch up with the others. Fly away! Fly away!
There's one. Not close enough.
Hurry up, you guys!
Ha-ha! Now I have you. Whoa!
Time to hit the trail, Snail. Trail, Snail.
Good rhyme, Franklin.
Oh! Fly away! You're free!
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Hey, someone forgot to put a bridge here.
Who needs a bridge?
Yes, but your feet are waterproof. I'm taking the stepping stones.
Yeah, me too.
And this is more fun anyway.
That's what I need. Oh! Why did you stop?
I saw this clamshell. Isn't it neat?
Good find, Bear.
Snail? What are you doing? Save your breath, Snail. Just whistle when you need help. I'm never far away.
I know. Hey, this would look good on the nature table. So would this log. Do you think maybe it's just a little too big? I don't think so, but I may need help putting it in my knapsack.
Hey, guys! Look at this! A wasp's nest. Wow! Isn't it great?
Bear, you're not going to take it back to our classroom, are you?
Sure, why not?
Because wasps sting if you bother them.
I'm not bothering them. They're not even living in it anymore. Will you take it off for me, Franklin?
Uh-oh, they're still inside.
And I think we're bothering them.
Oh, I'd better leave them alone.
Not like that, Bear! Run for it!
That was a close one.
Whew, that's for sure.
It's the fastest I've ever run.
Me too. How about you, Snail? Snail! Oh no! I forgot Snail!
Run, Franklin!
Hurry! How could I have forgotten Snail? He's my good friend, and I didn't even help him. Where is he?
Oh my, these termite tunnels go everywhere.
Snail! Snail!
Franklin?
Snail!
Here I am, Franklin.
Snail? Is that you?
It's me.
Snail! Are you okay?
Sure, I'm fine.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to forget you.
Thanks, Franklin, but you found him.
I was worried.
Same here.
Yeah, me too.
How come?
The wasps! They were buzzing all over the place.
I had a good hiding spot. So now that everyone knows I'm fine, I'll go back and explore the termite tunnels.
You can't go in there, Snail. You might get lost.
What? Whoa!
Don't worry, Snail. From now on, I'm going to take really good care of you. I won't forget you again, I promise.
My knapsack is so full, I can barely squeeze anything else in.
Mine is so heavy, I can hardly lift it.
I haven't found anything yet, but I will.
Don't worry about it, Snail. I've got something I can give you. Or I can just carry it for you.
I don't want you to. I want to find something myself.
What did I do? I just wanted to help you, that's all. Wasn't I helping?
Yes, but you're helping too much.
Too much? How do you help someone too much?
Well, Snail is pretty good at doing things for himself.
You think so?
Sure, Snail's been a snail all his life, so he has to be good at it by now.
Yeah, that's right.
No one does things like Snail.
Hey, look up there.
It's Snail!
Wow, I don't believe it.
See, he has his own snail way of doing things.
Yeah, I guess you're right. What do you see up there, Snail?
Lots of things. Wow, I found something really, really neat. And there's enough for everybody.
Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Wait for me!
Look out below.
Whoa, look at this. Is it ever sparkly?
Like diamonds.
This is great.
Gee, thanks, Snail.
This is the best thing I've seen all day!
Good find, isn't it?
Great find. Thanks, Snail. None of us could ever have climbed up there.
I'm glad I could help.
Hey, That's Mr. Owl.
Let's go.
Come on.
I'll go first.
Hurry.
Snail, I know you don't need me to help you all the time, but would you like a ride back?
Sure. I don't want to miss the bus. Anyway, I do like having help
When
I need it.
Right?
Right.
This is an interesting specimen. A tail feather. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, it's one of mine. Another fall molt. Where does the time go? And look at these quartz crystals. Magnificent. These will certainly brighten up our classroom.
Snail found them.
Yeah, he climbed straight up a big cliff to get them.
A big cliff? Well done, Snail.
Nothing gets in your way, does it, Snail?
No, and when it does, I know I can always ask my friends for help.
Anytime, Snail.
Franklin's starring role. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He liked to tell stories and act in front of an audience. But one day, Franklin learned that you don't have to be at center stage to be a star.
And George tiptoed into the cave. It was so dark he couldn't see a thing. Suddenly, there was a big whoosh of fire. It was the fire-breathing dragon, and it was breathing fire right at George. Take that, and that, and that!
Yeah.
Don't give up, George.
Go, George, go!
When George got through with that dragon, it could barely toast a marshmallow. It flew away as fast as its wings could carry it, right over the mountains. The king gave George a huge reward of gold coins, and everyone in the valley lived happily ever after. The end.
Great story, Franklin.
Yeah.
That was good.
I like that.
Bravo!
You're a really good actor, Franklin. I bet you'll get a big part in the spring play.
You think so? I hope I do. Last time I had stage fright, but this time I won't be worried at all.
Well, we'll soon find out what parts we're getting. Come on.
I hope I get the starring role.
I want to play the witch.
Hope I get it.
The king gets to
I
eat.
can't
I
wait.
like to play the tallest character.
Welcome back, class. Now, I know you're all anxious to find out about your parts in this spring play, so I won't keep you in suspense. Now, let's see. Sleeping Beauty will be played by Badger.
Huh? Me?
There's only one Badger in this class. The role of the Prince will be played by Fox.
The prince? Great! Do I get to use a sword?
Yes. And you wake Sleeping Beauty from her enchanted sleep with a kiss.
A kiss?
In front of everybody?
Bear will be our king.
Yahoo! I'm the king!
Goose will be the queen. Beaver will be the wicked witch.
I'll cast an evil spell on all of you.
Raccoon and skunk are the nobles. And rabbit and snail will be the king's guards.
The king's guards? Yay!
What about me, Mr. Owl? What's my part?
Don't worry, Franklin. I haven't forgotten you. You have an important part to play. You'll be our stage manager.
What part is that?
It's not a part on stage, but it's a very, very important job. You will be in charge of the props, the lights, and running the curtains.
Oh, that's great, Mr. Owl.
All right then, we will start rehearsals tomorrow.
I'm gonna wear a cape and ride a horse.
I'm gonna wear a cape too. and carry a magic wand.
I'll be the actor wearing a crown.
And I'll be wearing armor.
Neat, huh?
I wear armor all the time. Franklin does too. Don't you, Franklin?
Huh? What?
Our shells. They're like armor.
Oh, yeah. I guess so. And this lucky turtle gets to run the curtains. I'm not lucky. You guys are the lucky ones. You get to be on stage. I know. Let's all go to the pond for a swim.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah, let's go swimming.
I don't feel like swimming. I'm going home. Do you want to play at your house instead? Not really. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, Sam, today was terrible. I was the only one in the class who didn't get a part in the play. Mr. Owl must think I'm not a good enough actor.
Time for dinner.
Oh, no. How am I going to tell Mom and Dad?
And how was your day, Franklin?
Okay, I guess.
Has Mr. Owl started rehearsals for Sleeping Beauty?
We start tomorrow.
Oh, that'll be fun. What part did you get?
It's a surprise.
A surprise?
But don't I have to make a costume for you?
No, I don't need a costume.
Well, we'll be looking forward to finding out your secret part.
Absolutely. You were wonderful in the Christmas play.
Could I have the nobles step back to make way for the king? That's perfect. And now, our majestic king steps forward to center stage.
To celebrate the birth of the princess, we shall
throw a grand party and invite everyone in the entire kingdom. Oh, yeah, I remember. We'll throw a big party and invite everybody in the kingdom. Oh, I know all the lines. Why didn't Mr. Owl pick me?
I'm sure I won't be receiving an invitation to their little party, but I'll still give a present to the princess. A present that she'll never forget.
End of Act 1. Dim lights, close curtains.
I cast my big spell in the next act, Franklin, so I'll need my
Your sparkle dust is on the prop table. I filled it at lunch.
Thanks, Franklin.
Oh, which sword is mine? I keep forgetting.
I put a piece of red tape on the handle of yours.
Oh, thanks, Franklin.
You're welcome.
Well done, class. I dare say our audience will think they're watching professional actors.
Oh, no one's going to clap for me. Oh, no. They're not going to see me any better from the front row. I should have told them I don't have a part.
Look, Franklin is the stage manager.
Yes, that's an important job. No wonder he was keeping it a secret.
Evil witch, you don't scare me.
Hello, young prince.
Stand back, I'm warning you.
Foolish youth. Do you think you can succeed where all others have failed?
Hi-ya! Yeah! 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 The princess! How beautiful she is!
Go on. Go on.
Thank you, kind prince, for saving us from this terrible spell.
hooray for the prince!
Huh?
Oh, my.
Hang on, Snail.
Whoa! Yay for Franklin!
Way to go, Frank.
Good job! Yay! Yahoo! Yay!
Thanks for helping me when I forgot that line again, Franklin.
No problem, Bear.
And thanks for handing me my sword. I guess I was nervous and forgot about the red tape.
I remembered, Fox.
In a line, everyone, back out for your bows.
Right now! Quickly!
And Franklin, well done. You know, that's why I made you stage manager, because I knew you were quick thinking.
I thought I was backstage because I wasn't good enough for a part.
Goodness me, no. After the wonderful job you did in the lead last time, I just wanted to give someone else a chance.
Oh.
Just because you're not on stage doesn't mean you're not important. Why, this play couldn't have happened at all without a stage manager.
Wow. Really?
And an excellent stage manager you were.
Thanks, Mr. Owl.
Come on, Franklin.
Yeah, hurry up.
Where?
You have to take your bow, too. Come on.